Hi, in this lesson we're going to talk about the ASCII values of the characters. So each character has a number associated with it. So I'm going to run it just so you can see what I mean. So I'm going to put all the characters from 0 to 255. And this function, chr, is going to show you what all the characters look like. Some will be recognizable, very recognizable, and some will not be. So I'm going to run it. So you can see there's a bunch of characters early on that are irrecognizable, and then obviously our numbers start. Our capital letter is the 60, so capital A is the 65th character by number, and the alphabet goes all together, so from 65 to whatever. You guys can do the math on that. I'm not going to embarrass myself focusing on this. And then the 97th one, so there's a bit of a gap. There's a few characters in between the uppercase and lowercase, but there are 32 values apart, capital A and small a. And that will become useful if you're ever trying to put something from uppercase to lowercase, manually doing that. So those are all the characters. And you can also, so character 65 is capital A, as I was mentioning, character 97 is lowercase a. You can also, so if you give chr a number, then you get a character. But if you give OR a character, it returns the ASCII number. So in this second program here, when I run it, if I press a key on the keyboard, it's going to tell me what value it has, what ASCII value it has. And if you notice in this loop here, it says exit when ordinal value of the character is 27. Well, that's the escape key. So spacebar is 32, enter is 10. So if you're going to be keeping track of what the user is doing, those are pretty big keys, important keys. But if I hit escape, it says the program's finished up top. Okay, so that's fun as always. I'm going to comment that out, and then down below here I have a program that is going to use the keyboard, but we're going to move a circle around the screen. So it's checking, so the ASCII value of the up arrow is 200. It's all there on my constants. I'm pressing right, so it knows the keys 205, left 208, sorry, down 208, and left is 203. So I'm just moving this circle around the screen. And I'm taking this opportunity to show you the case construct. It is comparable to the if statement, but just cleans up a lot of the words needed in an if statement, because this is just a basic checking to see which direction I'm wanting to go, and then increasing the X and Y values or decreasing them as needed depending on which direction I want to go in. So checking to make sure I'm pressing any of the arrow keys, the ordinal value of the arrow keys, which are up here, and then moving the oval accordingly. OX is the old X, so it's drawing a white circle where the circle used to be, and then the new coordinates are, we're getting the new circle drawn. That's what OX is doing. It's just keeping track of where the oval used to be, drawing a white one, and then drawing a new fresh oval at the current coordinates. Okay.